My life lately, Maran Mateo.
Like,
You made it, Gloria. I think kailangan mo naman fast trip.
I think so.
That's so good. Really? Hey guys, so wala kaming klase talaga, pero last minute nag-announce sa amin na may face-to-face class kami. So syempre, sila na naman. Tanong sila na mga kasama natin every vlog, nandito sila. Present sila sa vlog ko guys. Say hi to the vlog. Anong feeling pinapasok kayo ng last minute? Actually, nakaka-visit. Hindi last minute eh, kanina pa. Ito yung last minute nagkape. Ito yung last minute. Siya yung dahilan. Yung maliit na gano'n, diba dinudurog ko? Feeling ko tinitikman. This is the best team.
Oh, yun, te. Sofer. Sila.
Sulfur.
That caused by human error or human negligence or so the word
Wala pa eh. Mapalakpak agad eh.
the causes of man-made.
Si Julian pala. Si Julian ang tanongin yun ang tanongin.
Oo nga.
Ay, hindi po yun, ma'am. Cause po kasi ng fire po yung wildfire, yung dahil po sa pagsisiga po ng tao. Kung hindi po nagsiga yung tao, dahil hindi po ma-intensify yung heat, hindi po kakalat, hindi po magkakaroon ng fire.
Comment.
Comment.
Comment. Sinabi ni Julian.
Kahit po many years ago po, as
After school guys, namiss ko to. Yummers. Insert LJ. Insert LJ Mendoza. We miss you so much. Wala si LJ guys. We miss you. Shoutout kay LJ dyan. Paano ulam? Say hi! Gutom na gutom. I should take a picture of you. Here. Look at the color. It's like a lens.
Yeah.
It's like a 360. If I don't have this one, it's like a zoom. But if I have to put this one, it's like a.
More appropriate.
You don't know this one? What did you say?
Yes. Should I say yes? Weird, mom.
So you had a kid in there? Show the picture again.
Or you say like, yeah, time flies, mom. Like,
Yeah.
they built a family and shit. You say like,
We're done. sila na naman. Sila na naman. How's your gym? Is it good? Anong ginawa mo?
Boring. Joke lang.
Boring.
Yeah.
Super chill lang sa inyo.
Well, and I learned a lot.
Oh, like what?
My patience.
Wow, what about yours? Tapos kami ng score. Hulaan nyo na lang. Comment down below, 1 to 25. Simula sa 1.
Highest kami, guys.
Yeah, highest kami.
25 out of 25.
Gloria is trying ihaw-ihaw. Say hi to the vlog, Gloria.
I've already had this.
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Okay.
My first score.
For 6 days.
And then?
Living area.
Oh yeah. That's so nice. Act like a Priscilla girl.
Yeah. You should. Yeah.
Mother Mary.
Okay.
Should we bless?
No.
The kitchen.
Yeah, okay.
A bathroom.
Oh. What do you call it? Bodega?
I guess.
I guess this.
Yeah.
It's been 2 years.
Yeah. And then.
The guest room.
Okay. It's too dark.
This is the terrace.
Okay. Oh. Marco!
Hey,
Say hi to the vlog, Marco.
we got Pennaway.
Wow.
Wow. Very
It's
talkative.
the Tagaytay feels. What a productive day. Kakapasok lang namin. Uuwi na agad kami. That's life. This is life. This is what you call life. Right, guys? Okay. Kakapasok lang namin isang minuto. Tapos nag-announce. Cancel yung duty namin.
Doon ba kayo napunta before?
Yeah.
Ba yun?
Sa Copy Vorm. Di ba kasama ka nun? Yeah. So, ayun. Kakape na lang kami. Ang palubag loob. Di ba? Hi to the vlog.
Naglato pala ka rin po.
Yeah. Like, 8 hours umabot yung surgery. Tapos nandito na kami sa kapihan ulit. Ang effort namin, nagbiyahe lang kami actually. Para lang pala dito. Hello guys. I'm with Ishi. It's Valentine's lunch out with Ishi. So, alam niyo na, single tayo. So, kikitain na lang natin yung mga friends natin. Today is February 10.
No.
9? Pa lang pala. Nagkanin na amnesia. So, let's go.
Or sasabihin ako.
Wala tayo mag-jowa.
Huwag mo yung lalabas.
Oo. Nakawa ba? Ano yung tomato? Ala siyang...
Kahit na walang tomato eh.
True.
different types of disaster. 2014, pangalawa.
Wala rin nakikinig.
2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018 pangatlo, and 2019 pa.
Hindi nakikinig.
Ano, di ba kayo namamala dyan sa top 10 world receivers? Nakaraport ito.
Opo.
Disaster in yung last part.
Gusto mo mabigyan?
Flood and earthquakes.
What is this? Nyarap. Nyarap. It's samyang night, boiled up night with them.
We have the egg and we have the noodles with Vienna sausage on top.
Laura, bring down your hair. This day, we're going to Maldives. Yeah, we're ready. We're gonna go to Maldives? Yeah. Where's Marco? I don't know. Everybody's Hello guys, we're getting ready. So, because we're going to...
Sleep last night.
Yeah, me too. I sleep at 2 a.m. I think.
Yeah,
Me too. I slept at 3:30.
Really?
and then I took a nap early.
Yeah. We're the
I
same.
was so
Hello guys, so we're off to
It's so this is Subic, and then it's right down there. I'm gonna sit in the back.
Let's go.
What's up there? We're going to the beach. That's what it is.
Wow, say hi to the vlog. Yes. Having fun here guys. Hello guys, so we're gonna swim na. So ang agenda namin today is magsiswimming kami. Hindi ko alam kung makapag-film ako kasi nga water yun, baka malaglag ang phone. And magbabanana boat kami. Ayun lang naman, let's enjoy this. Let's go! Are you ready, Gloria?
I'm ready.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Okay, Lex. So funny. What people? Oh my gosh.
Tumam, boy pa tumam. Gabi, gumamit.
On.
Careful ha.
What the fuck? Oh my gosh.
Go, Marco. Daan, lugi pa bigat.
Ayun na. Tayo pa yung ano, lobo. Mama, patingin mo na ako nga. Kunin ko lang ito.
Hello guys. So tapos na kami mag-activity doon. Ano masasabi mo sa ano? So feeling ko makaka-graduate naman ako. So next agenda is banana boat. Let's do this. Grabe. Happy birthday, Jessa! Sa birthday niya, guys. Yaman pang ano nito ah. It's 12:31. Oh shit, lapit na nun ah. I think kailangan mo na mag-fast trip.
I think so.
Sobrang kaswelo nito pre kasi hindi ka na nag-aabang.
Ayun na, nainitan ako. Pero
Tayor?
siguro nga ha,
Artist tayor.
hindi ka kasi pag 6 p.m. Sobrang haba ng pila.
Pag duty talaga, ayun lang yung hassle talaga. So guys, na-meet mong calendar ka. Thanks Jelka for the free drink. I got my Parisa drink, UISM, with my water. May klase kami guys ng ng 2 p.m. Pero di namin alam kung ilang hours yun. What the fuck is that?
1 hour lang.
1 hour lang. Nagkaganyan ba? Hindi. Samgyup nila, samgyup bowl. Hello guys, duty dyan. Duty dyan. Tapos na. Wait kami na. Nasa kaming case. Nakaka-proud yun. Kung araw kami sa kwentuhan. Congrats kami sa comment section. Yeah. Bye.
500 Just pay me.
Okay.
Gcash na. Like used to sell that, right? So no, this one. Like, these are good.
Okay, well, I want to try peach.
Maybe you should try all.
I love this.
Yeah.
Oh, you should try this one. The Sesto.
Oh, I have root beer too.
Oh, I haven't tried this one. But I feel like you will like this. It tastes like cucumber.
Grade 1 to 10. Do you like it?
Okay, I'm ready to try mine.
Okay, what about you? Hoppers with Gloria.
That's so good.
Really?
That's so good. Yes.
Okay. This is my fave, guys.
Oh my
Rated
gosh.
out of 10.
Like BMS.
Kare Kare by Gloria's mom. Wow. Thank you so much. Let's eat. Thank you, Gloria. Happy Valentine's. Say happy Valentine's. This is
Like you're floating. So good. You don't know this?
I will sing a...
No! Oh, you can sing. I have to say it. No. Aaron, no.
I don't know this.
Oh my god. Oh. Going back to Ravenna.
Guys, today is Saturday. So, first day ng review namin. Guys, actually, ano pa lang to? Hindi pa naman yung comprehensive review. Parang kami mag-a-apply, oh. We're the RNs. We are the RNs. We. The BPSU RN. Joke. Wala na kami Sabado Linggo. Hindi nakakaiyak na yung part 9 na. Grabe naman yan. Look at the RNs. Teacher RNs. Yeah. Pakalip yung nga na dyan. RN 2025. Nurses, grab your license. Woo! Thank you, LJ. Nagpa-letter sa lock, guys. Ang picture ko. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's.
How young she looks. I hope that when I'm 60, I look just as amazing as she does. I'm so thankful to be here today with all of our friends and family. Thank you to everyone.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This time you must present.
Cheers! Happy birthday! The bill. Hi guys. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's already view.
Guys,
Kita pa ito? Bubo ka ba?
Tawag dumami yung case ko. Nangyari.
Hi vlog. Sugo, baka naman. Ilang months ako mag-review.
Sure po, yung attendance ng school natin, sa attendance ng Capra, nakasign na yun. Hindi ko po pwede hindi. Ulit na, pwede ko yung ma-mark na absent kasi hindi kayo nakasign dito sa papel natin. Pero hindi naman dito pwede magpapasign lang kayo.
Hi guys.
Kayo po mismo.
Sugo, baka naman.
Sino nakain wala ng melo kahapon? Kakatango.
Ako po pera, 1K.
Wala sa kinakain wala ng melo kahapon. Yung
Hello guys, so I'm with Naya. So, tatry namin yung actually pauwi na kami. And bigla ko nakita yung etong pistachio crunch ng Contis. So, tatry namin kung anong lasa nun, kung masarap ba siya, worth it ba siya. So, excited ko siyang i-try. Actually, pauwi na nga talaga. Excited kami. Excited ako. I-share ko to kasi nag-review kami ng matagal. Almost 8 hours.
Ang score?
10 over 100. Bye guys, I'll update you later. Wow. So, ano namin tatry? Ito. Okay. So, tatry na namin siya. Kung masarap talaga. Feeling ko nasa...
Nothing special.
Yeah, let's see. Okay. Ayokong galawin na nakakahiya. Tingnan nyo naman yung presentation. Look at the presentation dyan. So, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Heavy. Parang hindi lumulupwak. Gusto ko lumulupwak pa. Pero let's see. Okay, let's see. Go. Wow. Tunaw na ang cake. Oh my God.
Ang messy niya lang.
Ang messy niya talaga.
Is it yummy?
Iyak ako guys. Sarap. 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 Solid.
Yeah.
Sarap siya, guys.
I like it.
Favorite coffee shop with Gloria. Dinner. Last dinner with Gloria. Say hi, Gloria. It's violet. No, it's black. Gloria is gonna leave us. Alis na siya, guys, actually. Mahirap mag-English. Yeah, last day in Philippines with Gloria. Bye. Yeah.
How fuck is it already plus?
Yeah, see you after 2 years in Siargao. Yeah, exactly. They can see you here because it's dark.
2 years will be like
Gloria! You're gonna leave us na! My goodness! But,
Marco's so sad.
bakit may ganito? Bakit naman may ganyan? Ang lamig-lamig doon. Oh, that's your souvenir.
This is mine. And then
Oh, told you eh. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, Kyle.
my friend Hannah's because like when we go to raves, we use fans. And I like this because like I can put a hook on it and put it in my backpack.
Oh, very Filipino, ah.
So yeah. And then if another Filipino, because a lot of Asians go to raves and a lot of Filipinos.
God, why is this like that?
Oh yeah, they're broken as fuck.
Oh my god. Grabe kang pora na yun.
They're still good though. They still.
Totoo, gets ka naman. That's why they call beats because they're pitas.
Yeah, they're.
What's the title, Kyle?
Pora na yung nag-e-epak. Pora na yung nag-e-epak.
Oo.
Afam nag-e-epak. Goodbye, Afam. Goodbye, our Afam.
Yeah. Oh, ready na si Gloria, umalis. That's her outfit. Oh, and then we are here. Just waiting. Meron siyang passport. Boarding pass. Bye. So just stay here, ha? Good night, Kyle. Ha? Yung pocket money mo, bigyan namin doon sa baba, ha? Bye, Gloria. Say bye-bye.
Bye to the vlog.
Yeah.
I can't wait to watch it.
Yeah.
Are you gonna compile it?
Yeah. Close na, like this.
Okay.
Bye. Say hi. No. Guys, may kakasal. Say hi to my vlog. Lala. May Hirono kaming kasama, guys. Spotted. Tama naman.
Parang utak-utak tayo.
Oo nga, parang alam ko.
Hindi, bakit? Malayo yan. Hindi malayo, promise.
Parang kanya-kanya. Gawin mo na kang naman tahimik mo.
Coffee after review. it.
Okay na to. Pagka nagluluto siya. Ano sa may mamaya. Mamahiyain na ba ito mga?
Say hi, CJ. Guys, may bago silang ano, cute. Let's try this.